How to cancel items on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Temu account, and after that you should be able to find the option of U at the bottom. Just simply select the option of U, then you would be able to find the option of orders. Simply go to your orders, and over there click on the option of processing, and here you would be able to find all the orders that you made, and all the eligible orders that you can cancel would appear over here. Simply select that particular option of cancel, and this way you would be able to select any particular item that you want to cancel up or the order that you want to cancel up. Now after selecting the order that you want to cancel, just select the reason for cancelling it. You can select any of the reason of your choice, then click on the option of next. After that, select the option of refund. You can select your original payment method as your refund, and this way you would be receiving the payments in your refund, and this way you would be receiving the refund in your original payment method. And after that, just click on this option of submit, and after that confirm this particular cancellation, and this way you would be able to cancel up the order on Temu. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.